Briefly, when I begin my own remote viewing sessions, I begin with a cool down period. Personally, I meditate for about an hour and 15 minutes to settle my mind, calm it down, and then after my meditation period is over, I get up and walk into my remote viewing room. My remote viewing room is a plain table with a writing pad on it. Notice that the clothing that I am using is the same clothing that I used when I was meditating. Basically, these are organic white cotton. It's a yoga suit that's often used for yoga classes. Now, the room itself has some special characteristics. Many people, when they remote view, do not have rooms that are like this, but this is an optimal environment as I see it. Let me give you a walk around within the room so you can see it and all of the various parts and the positionings of the table and so on. Here we are entering the room from a side door. Notice that the remote viewing desk is in the center of the room. The recording equipment and the heater are behind the desk. The color of the room is powder blue. The floor is a light tan. So these are neutral colors. Notice that the desk itself is pointed towards a corner, not flat up against a wall, which would bring in the psychological idea of a block. So it's pointed towards the corner, and the desk is in the center of the room. There is a writing pad that I use to write on when I am writing down the remote viewing data to make a smooth surface. Notice that the walls have no pictures on them. Again, light colors. The pen is actually on some tissue paper so that it does not make a clinking sound when I put it down. There is a stack of white blank paper to the right for use during the remote viewing session. Again, the room is optimal. Not everyone uses a room like this, but a room that has very few distractions is an optimal situation for remote viewing.